Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to turn off the function to mute our phone with a gesture in Samsung Galaxy S22. What does it do, where it is, and how to turn it off? We are going to Settings, then Advanced Features, and Motions and Gestures. And here we have Mute with gestures. To turn it off, we simply untap this box, uncheck this box, and that's it. So what does this function do? Mute incoming calls and alarms by putting your hand over the screen or turning your phone face down. So right now this option is turn off. That's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.